Alright, hello my lovelies. Good morning. So today is the official shoot and travel day. So we are up and at it. It's about 6:35 in the morning. And I am Renee Daniela and you guys are watching video 15 in my 100 video challenge here on YouTube, where I'm experimenting to see can consistency, creativity and long form storytelling help me find my dream New York City apartment. Whew. Okay, so I am about to jump in the shower and then I am going to get dressed. I'm going to do a full wash day because I want my hair to look great on camera, but also because when I land in Trinidad tomorrow, I'm going straight to a fete, so I want to look good for that as well. So yeah, we're going to get in the shower, do a full wash day, put my products in, and then I will tend to, final things around the house while my hair is air drying. The makeup artist comes at 8 a.m. Yeah, so we've got about an hour and 25 minutes to get things done. So let's get to it. Out the shower, my hair is done, got all my products in, so I'm just gonna let them sit. There's gonna be a makeup artist, but I don't think there's gonna be a hair person, a hairstylist, so I will likely let my hair air dry, and then closer to the shoot time, I'll diffuse it to give it some more volume. But for now, we are just making sure my skin is nice and hydrated and moisturized and prepped for the makeup artist. It is 7:04. We're at the 60-minute countdown, less than, and I am gonna have this place ready to go. It's pretty good. So we're gonna start burning some candles, spray a little Febreze around, wipe down some counters. Actually finished closing up my luggage. I still have some of my tech pieces that I've been charging overnight that I need to go ahead and throw into my bag, stick that into a closet, and then I'll be ready for them. So yeah. Gosh, I'm so excited. I hope everything goes smooth today. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm more excited than I am nervous. But it's always interesting when you're on camera and they're gonna be asking questions and you wanna make sure you speak comfortably. So honestly, this little YouTube challenge has definitely helped me already. Just I'm feeling a little bit more ease when it comes to being on camera. But hopefully that translates when there's more than just myself in the room, right? Oh yeah, and I'm gonna pack up my makeup into this little nugget so that I can put it in my carry-on with me as well. And yeah, I think that's one of the last things I have to pack up for my trip. Okay, let's go. finished staging, so everything looks pretty much ready to go. There's some final touches, but I will wait until everybody gets here. So let me give you guys a really quick mini tour. We'll just go through each room just so you can have a little peek. And then, yeah, I will welcome the makeup artist and I will get started on the day. We'll start here in the office, or the cloffice. And guys, look at this little floral arrangement I made. Hold on. Isn't that so lovely? I feel like I did such a good job. Am I tooting my own horn? So here we are, and I'm gonna put the robe on that's behind me, so I will not be wearing this for the shoot, but this will be underneath anyway. But yeah, this is how the room is looking. The cloffice, the closet portion's ready to go. This is the bedroom. Lovely, moody. I've got the sun peeking in here, that is so nice. And the bathroom is ready. Maybe I'll put a little like fire scene on there, but yeah. And how pretty is this candle? Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is my bathroom ready to go. And then this is the living room. So some finishing touches I will do is put some florals in the vase there, but otherwise the room's pretty much good to go. And I'll probably give it a nice little quick Febreze. Let's do that now. Here we are, we're gonna go with this one. Febreze with Gain Scent. Because yeah, we made all these lovely bagels and cookies, so the house does have some nice fragrances going on, but we just want to clean that up. So yeah, and here we have the dining nook, some more flowers I threw in from last night. Okay, and then this is how the kitchen is going to be staged so far. We do have we've got the cookies that we made for them, and we've got the bagels there. Let's see, yeah, we've got some everything bagels. And then they have just had some food and snacks and pastries delivered for themselves as well. So plenty for the team to snack on. Anyway, they should be here any second. I am going to pack my little DJI Osmo away until we finish the shoot. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. Wish me luck.
Yeah, it's so tiny, but there's so much to see. And that's the most style I've ever seen in the room.
I feel like it started in 2021. Actually owning a home was like the fun part, but the biggest thing you can just do it like that. All right. We are just about to shoot makeup and hair. Turned out perfect. And I let them know I'm going to be wearing this to the party tomorrow. I was like, make it stay. I don't want it to move an inch. All the different neutral scenes, beautiful landscapes, beautiful imagery of black women. Okay, so from first impression, it looks like a simple closet. Beautiful, lots of things on display, but once you open these doors, any parts of my bespoke collection, found my original closet at
Oh my gosh, we just wrapped and guys, it was amazing. I loved the experience. I feel like this is just, you know, such a reward for having put all the effort that I did into my home. I got sneak peeks at the visuals they were doing and it looked so good. I need to get out of here. I need to get to the airport so I can catch my flight. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe. And please like this video, share this video with anybody that you think it might be helpful for. They might enjoy it. And I will literally see you guys from Trinidad tomorrow. Oh my gosh. All right, see you then. Bye.